Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare OneNote and GoodNotes. Microsoft OneNote is a powerful digital notebook that lets you organize multiple notebooks, sections, and pages. It supports text, handwriting, images, audio, and file embedding, and works across Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and the web. It integrates well with Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, making it ideal for collaboration and multi-device use. However, some users find the interface cluttered, the learning curve steep, and syncing slower with large notebook. Handwriting support is decent, but not as refined as dedicated writing apps. OneNote reviews on Trustpilot are mixed. Users like its note-taking features, but often face syncing issues, forced OneDrive use, version problems, and difficulties exporting notebooks. Overall, it's powerful but can be frustrating to use. GoodNotes, on the other hand, is perfect for Apple users who prefer handwriting notes. It offers a smooth handwriting experience with Apple Pencil support, excellent PDF annotation tools, and polished templates. Navigation is intuitive, and the paper-like feel makes it great for students, creatives, or anyone annotating documents. The main limitation is that it's limited to iPad, iPhone, and Mac, and it lacks real-time collaboration and full cross-platform access. GoodNotes reviews on Trustpilot are very positive. Users praise its intuitive interface, versatile feature for study and personal use, excellent handwriting support, clean template, and strong PDF management. Overall, it's seen as highly effective and user-friendly. Now let's take a closer look at OneNote's pricing, pros, cons, and what users are saying about it. OneNote is free to use, with full features available through Microsoft 365 at approximately $6.99 to $9.99 per month. On the positive side, OneNote works across multiple platforms, integrates seamlessly with Microsoft tools, and offers a rich free version. On the downside, its interface can feel cluttered, syncing can be problematic, and access to full features requires a subscription. Customer feedback highlights the value of the free features, though some users find the app slow or confusing at times. Now let's explore GoodNotes pricing, pros, cons, and user feedbacks. GoodNotes offers a free trial with the full version available for $11.99 per year or as one-time purchase. On the positive side, it delivers an excellent handwriting experience, a clean and intuitive interface, and is well optimized for Apple ecosystem. On the downside, it is limited to Apple devices, can be storage heavy, has occasional bugs, and the subscription may feel costly to some users. Customer feedback praises the app for its handwriting and customization features, though some users report occasional bugs and find the cost a drawback. If you use multiple platforms and need collaboration, OneNote is best. If you mainly use Apple devices and prefer handwriting, GoodNotes is the stronger choice. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.